Question 13 is 3 marks. It's similar shapes. Similar shapes are going to be in your exam. It's going to be in your exam. It's in every exam. So let's do this question. Solid A and solid B are similar. The ratio of the height of solid A to the height of solid B is 2 to 5. The volume of solid A is 12 centimeters cubed. Work out the volume of solid B. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Now, to do this question, we start by this part. So, the height of A to the height of B is 2 to 5. This will help us finding the scale factor. Which shape is bigger now, depending on just this? Shape B is bigger. So the scale factor from A to B is 5 over 2. Just leave it like that. And that's K. That's the scale factor of the length, which is K. Now the question asks you to find some volume. To find the volume, you need to find the scale factor of the volume, which is K cube. And then we just cube the length scale factor. So how do you do that? We just do 5 over 2 cube, which gives you 125 over 8, because 5 cube is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Now, to find the volume of B, we know the volume of B is going to be bigger than the volume of A. So it's just 125, the scale factor, times the volume of A, which is 12. Plug this nice nice multiplication in your calculator, and it gives you 187.5, and that's your 3 marks. It's centimeters cube, but you don't need to write it because it's always written. So this is 3 marks. How was it? Please revise the similar shapes. If you don't know how to find it, you will lose marks. In most of the IGCSE questions, you see similar shapes. Alright, question 14, indices. This is a very nice question.